Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to force quit apps that won't close on your Mac. To do this, you just need to go to your Mac and click on Option, Command and Escape, like that. So the Option and Command buttons, you will find them near to the space bar, and the Escape button, you will find it on the top right of your keyboard. So after that, you will see this window of Force Quit application. For example, if I want to force quit the QuickTime player, I just select it and click on not force quit it because I'm recording with it, but for example, I will try it with Notion. So just click on it and click force quit. And after that, force quit again, and it's closed directly. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.